Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Thinkific payments login problems, account access errors step by step clearly. To resolve Thinkific payments login problems, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable network. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve access issues caused by stored data. After clearing the cache, restart your browser for optimal results. Proceed to your Thinkific login page. Enter your email and password carefully. Make sure there are no typos in your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Check your email for the password reset instructions. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. If you can't access your email, try contacting your email provider for assistance. If you're still unable to log in, consider using a different browser. Sometimes, browser compatibility issues can interfere with logins. Alternatively, try logging in using an incognito or private browsing window. This can help bypass any potential extensions or plugins causing problems. If you're still facing issues, check Thinkific's status page for any ongoing outages. A system outage may affect login capabilities for many users. If everything seems normal, check your account status with Thinkific support. Contact Thinkific support directly for personalized assistance. They can help troubleshoot specific account access errors. Be prepared to provide them with any error messages you encounter. Follow their instructions closely for a resolution. After resolving the issue, try logging in again. Make sure to keep your credentials secure and up to date. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Thinkific account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.